That's my Instagram. Who like Kongosa? Come on. Come on. Because I'm not going to stay.
Okay, I think the phone is activating first. Because it's not passing through this thing.
So the 3 camera not be out till they take picture one time. Okay, if I want to take picture, I'll go select which camera.
Just keep patience. When you start the phone, exploit all this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now wow. Orishi. Hello, my Instagrammers. My Instagram people. I never see my injection here. I never see my fuel. I never see my gas. I never see my benzene pump. I don't see one, I don't see two. But you start to catch me now. I don't see 4. People like Kongosaka. Hey, that's my mama me. Mama yo. Screenshot, you still there inside. Screenshot union. That's my mama me. That's my Twitter. Now there you. Kongosa. After this Kongosa, I'll go sleep afternoon sleep. They say I'm not sleeping enough. I'll go sleep afternoon sleep. Sleep good. You. Oh, yeah. Hello, Hana, Huna. Hana. Okay, this is the Kongosa. I just wake up. You just wake up. Oh my God. Damn it, you made my morning routine. Okay. Oh yeah, follow this one. After this one, me chef, I go sleep after eating beans and rice. I don't eat it. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mama. So don't reach afternoon. Let me see. Don't reach. Yeah, where are you, Papa? My people. As I still finish life, I love all of Funako. That is hope of my bungbe na beer ya. I hope you know me swag. Good afternoon, my darling, my quick my wonderful sister named Baba. Ava, imagine winner. Working class lady, imagine winner. If you might be doing the power now. Hey, correct walkie kelele wina dorieba walkie kelele wina dorieba. I watch more. I later sleep or okay. Oh, you dey holiday? Ezazamiko. Enjoy your holiday. Okay, as I finish live video just now, person will watch my video. What we do for Facebook just now, Big Man Web TV. He said she no want call inside, but she was already watching comment and she saw me challenging one person. She said she come meet and she don't really know what the person comment or what make me provoke. But she can't meet the thing, so she can't try to follow up the comment, but she can't say I don't block the person, so she don't really can't know what the person comment, what he do. But when he can't follow comment where my people, they reply to people, it can't be like say the person tell me say, Monica, why you dey show? Na me dey cause the person for. And my people come they say not be show me the show, but according to she way call me na show na it be good. My people, I don't want to bring and come such Facebook because Facebook is too big for this type of thing. But with all due respect, I want to do one for here for my people because I still know all my paddy they here. Number one, for those who meet me talking and you didn't go back to go wash with it. I mean myself, not be like say I read the comment of the person. I said they read and they go. Now stop. You know, so I judge. Number one, I not talk about your show. Now something else. Now I just talk. If you see the insult where I give and the swear where I swear for that person, you will feel understand what the person tell me. The person not talk show. Now different things. The person talk. Okay. Then for the people where they say show, you'll see I never really respond to them because they don't understand things or they understand they be hated. And so that they do. You go like confusion everywhere many time. Okay. Then my lovely Monica people where be say, una no fit give these people better answer. If you know how to answer these people, you not go even get stressed. You not go even come forward to come say, Mama Monica, oh no, hello, excuse me. Do you know the difference of show and when you are living your life? Please. It's a pity say when I go watch something from A, why do you imitate B? Why do you imitate C? Please. I am not doing any show off. Do you know what is show off? Look, let me tell you, if many of you don't forget, I was the one that were in the shoe of abuse. I always love to cook in the kitchen with my people, but did they allow me? Mona thought true. Every Saturday, anytime we are the kitchen for my olders for Netherlands, I go one put on for Instagram, make me and Nagada, they cook. Then they allow me, before you know, I'll just they like, they don't screenshot my kitchen, go put on for Adanigbe. Why? Because they see error. Make them screenshot now. Why they can't they cry say na show now? The time where I get kitchen, to me, my kitchen was good because my kitchen, you not do me anything when I did Netherlands. But they allow me. They bully me. Now that they see the error where the kitchen, me non le kitchen, me mami error. Today I'm able to free and do my thing the way I want it without they cannot screenshot. And you call it show. This is not show. If you don't know how to, what is show off? Show off is when I say, you see this, do you think I'm your, I look like you, low life, you that is stupid, you that is crazy, you that cannot afford the Have you ever heard such thing from my mouth? Since where I dropped for UK, you ever hear them from my mouth? You not hear them from my mouth. Because I don't like show off. But I love to live my life. They used to bully me when I'm living my life. If I show my children just the way I like, and sometimes I go there to go make video, they go they screenshot error. Now so error. Since they don't error me, so God don't give me perfect life. And I used to love to do video in every part of my house. I'm not ashamed of it. But they allow me. To me, it not be problem for me if they screenshot me that time. But to my lover, they use and laugh now. See who now they follow. See kitchen. See this. See that. See bicycle. See the. I be not forget. Monica, people, I beg more step up the game, please. If you dey working play, one imbecile, low life, good for nothing, idiot hater that cannot take the progress of Monica. If that person they tell you say, enene Monica, nature of you know, obviously me big ben on my enemy or progress, you know who damn no the way that way. Because on my eti have a social media na we man me again na screenshot up me, again na screenshot to koni me, again na screenshot e poti me, iri yo to iri yo hu. Ya you koni we Africa. My people wanna come gather Africa. At the end of the day, fear no go even let me tell una say see what I'm cooking. Una go dey see I go dey call. Fear no go let me carry camera me and show una. Because they go screenshot the thing when me no can put. Today let them come and screenshot. They cannot screenshot anymore. They want to tell una say na show una one really believe am.
Hello.
Hello my lady.
Oje. La wo esho fini o wa ni memo.
On ekwe be show off ije be ni wa ya like egbene me wa like me are ko ni wa ya bumere betege ni ekwe ni we with you wa wese o emi na ya money go me Africa ihia ikpa ime ikwe ajeye ne no wa e ihia na screenshot e
screenshot a wardrobe so the progress here
I can't show again never na worry yeah why they show it pa love worry make it show eh my first day of driving, I tell you why the women celebrate we pali mama now celebrate
they not get this so he go dey mock na show him motor my man
nah show off ya boli yan I don't do show off. I used to love to show my hair but people keep screenshotting me. Anything you want show, I screenshot see Monica Palo, see Monica this, see Monica that. Egbe oko me, ite like palo me bege ni like we no koni me gaje. Iye gume joy. Different color. Eh monya wa ogbe government no. I bet Monica people where they work. If una colleague they tell and say, Monica, nenemi. No, but when you first tell that person say, I beg my sister. Woman like a Monica, a problem. Every adinye baku every be compare Manu with the Monica. Monica will live a life for her. Erika wa like my lady no wagumi an leve bukoni. Beti yama kweni an wewe ni.
Except my Instagram and I won't bother with.
Yeah, when you can wana game bukoni. Iya screenshot me ya ni an wo magba ni me. Iya screenshot e when you ya make wa feel bad. Iya screenshot e me so an feel bad. I commenting ya. O si eni na show. Can you imagine?
This is a big man. Color share black and white share.
Can you imagine? Now, young girl, the real big man wife in Nenya. Here show off. Are you crazy? When you call big man wife life show off?
No, please, show off. Maybe like a reality show. Like a reality show.
Oh, what they did? No, niya. So when you want me, Monica lovers, voila.
The way it is, I show me. I like it. This is not show off. This is who you are. Like a kitchen. You show it to us. And I have screenshots.
No, no, screenshots. You bear for me.
Please,
it's to do at the first day of driving celebration. And in that we said to you, and that you're actually to an executive or your
it's like a reality show. TV, big mouth TV, no, a reality show, no, a reality something, no. So please, we the lovers will nobody love where we enjoy.
Iya enjoy better when we na unwina. We ga me opponent we side no ke odo atamu wewe okpanya hin re Monica na so ni do atami mewe mama nyate mata nene mi webe una o my lady ima we show off ima te bono ma ro pe ma we ko ego ma ro pa gun ya le we lovers me wa dore Deminigi uwa and the car where they all land the car wa we le ba wo ko ni Betty na Instagram di kawe but in your screenshot me all those ye ni ngi cho ye ni ro pa iwa e ko mo ye black ya gu wa gun because ya we ni cho in ya mo kene color je ba in ya ra mo nya wa government o nya wa
if we fresh you we Instagram America fresh we ma
oh
show man abeg please so now go the show off ni me ba like truth because me like reality don't have me meje me like all to say almost me wa like ni abeg all in dream life only entertain no ginger no really rock please
dishwasher na ya pokman ni ya bie Monica eri ma ya we gift me since 11 years ye ke le machine
okay, my lady.
Where's AJ? Where's it? UK, he fed them my kitchen, dishwasher. The day we are born Monica, a week after my husband, Betty do gift for me. I said they used it, but why go me show because why they I'm now don't pursue me. I don't pursue me past way to una blood no fit take again. Not give a name, Mona not give a name. In any time you show our work. You go show off. But you are going to live a life in a big man wife. Hello, my sweetheart. Hello. Good morning, darling. No, he not say no. I not sure. He say nah, show it still be so making your thought true. Say my follower go they attack person. We say Monica you they show they go they attack and why? I no thought true. Now the show now still be now say no.
You've lived in Europe for 20 years. You don't have
no
washing machine.
No, I didn't say that.
You don't have good set of kitchen. You
No.
don't have plates. Your plate is broken in one corner.
I don't do that.
You don't say that kind of thing. That kind of thing.
Nobody.
You never even show. I don't show. You know, that show be this one. You put camera for one corner. That one I show. You don't bring that you don't draw your drawer of your food. Come and come they show people.
Well,
you don't
now.
bring out your set of plate. You don't bring out your set of pot.
Oh.
When they shut your pot,
Yeah.
not get hands. They
Eh?
don't see at that time.
When go me a video in the bedroom, and he have a mirror to me. I see everything be good though. I say I not constantly know what they will constant screenshot now. Ni ebe ya shame me man olele me here because me no ro me mate send me oriyan jiyan mo egbe me. But me they don't go they use until they shame you now say me I not put on this time I will put on for my room my bedroom just to keep.
I use this video to tell your fans, may I beg, may they stand for the stairs. Me, I still get people who not still like you. Maybe we will be they do friends together. One tell me say, see the way Monica husband take kiss her. I say, Mona say, if they get too tight, you see they get too tight, they do kissing.
Begging ya. On the to let this you. No, not Facebook.
To those people, because like for like they look the video from every time. Maybe I'm not listening to them. Mama, continue doing your thing. Me, I'm enjoying it.
Let's say my love.
Continue doing it. I'm enjoying it. Well, I'm happy. When I'm seeing it, I'm happy.
Yes, that is the be doing with Monica people be happy. Be happy.
Continue doing your thing.
Not be the one where they go turn and say, no. Big Mona, they happy. What me have here no sick when no you wear money. Oh wait, hey, stop it! Don't talk to mommy Monica like that. Hey, go find your life and leave mommy Monica alone.
I want to congratulate you for your iPhone.
Thank you, 12 Pro. In as much as I don't know how to use it, but I have it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for putting smile in Mommy Monica's face.
Thank you.
We are grateful. We are grateful.
Thank
continue
you.
doing your things. Our fellow fans, wanna stand up on our steps.
Okay, my darling.
Thank you for calling Cisco's Technical Support.
Okay, my darling.
Can you help her?
Okay, Mona, wait me finish. More continue. Please do start the
Sorry?
reality show for
Yeah.
Okay. Be wow, man. You want to be
I was
over me.
correct. Ambrose from Cisco's Technical Support. Goeiedag. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Mama, you should be happy. Story don't change. Hey. Me, I go. I can't eat finish.
Okay, and have you the email ID? Anybody email ID?
I'm coming. Wait.
Ja, even kijken waar het om gaat. Gaat dit over certification? Of certificering, is dat de CCNA? Is dat voor CCNA? CCNA Network Academy of zo? Okay.
I want to go lie down. I want to go slide. Don't shop. Nah, your beauty Ikebe. No. Yo what? Nadia. Ekuno, I get wide waist. Oh no, say condom, any condom, wide way, wide shoulder, any condom, I forget. I love you too. You see, children, they sitting room. Give me. Yeah, try to boy room, Jerry. Eriga Joe, Netherlands. It's a lucky need up me and show him me. Ni when you show him me. Me, I want to do video. I feel tired. I feel they go the screenshot. If the screenshot finish, they know say not go worry me. They'll come they use and then they comment for now. See you're being my wife. She your nene. Not be so that they do now. Today now. The one can't change up. Mona not change up. I beg. My lovers we don't understand. Please try to understand, yeah? It's not a show up. I don't do show up. That's one thing with me. Me myself. I don't put my makeup face for it. This thing. Okay. Me myself. I don't do show up, but I like to carry camera everywhere, not hiding it. I don't like them. That one, it was a very journey in Netherlands. What a very journey. Yet him with camera is stepping in a mirror. Yet him with camera is toilet near a mirror. Yet him with camera anywhere near him. He almost a mirror. I don't know the kind of children where they be those days. Anyway, you carry camera for in a mirror. Yaga mirror de yaga so me understand. Uwa gogo no matter what wujoja uwa gogo. This video not they work. It they work. No, it not they work. Something happened to the video. Mama, they no believe say you go school day like this. They no believe. For real, I bet carry the phone come on from where your mother. I don't carry her come on. From now we okay, oh, my lady. You see my man, oh, just now. She be the tell una say, you man, they ask, not they work. At all there, na UK dey but na Netherlands telephone I come just now. When I tell una say na from Netherlands, ana send the adim and ana do winner. I think yana tamuwa where oge Monica Rata. Do you hear when they was speaking Netherlands? You see, working for Netherlands company that is in UK. Ovaga temata. E de so stress igbe. Small go te by say come out. You understand? Eh? This phone they work. Eh? You hear and just now. Where he say, I talk and say this thing they worry. Now this phone, that's why I don't get iPhone now because I ain't go fit carry the 5G internet wey my husband get. They disturb now. If they work, I be me I go passage there. Me I go passage. If they work, it's not working. Stiff. So bad people now can't say as soon as doctor say, ooh, bicycle rider. Agbona if we here. See their heads. Yeah, children. So now not come no say bicycle get even me where they ride down, I don't know say I get plan. Now they crazy, see their hair, yeah, children. Oh yeah, que na tisi na so bicycle awa fie ne bio, cause why me wine. Yeah, come on. Cause the thing is stiff. Mother gave one lady and nine this you. It's good, yeah. Post. My deep freezer, they don't bring a condemn. You have a camera your partner. They don't bring a deep freezer.
How are you? I'm fine. How are you?
Okay, no, Mama Marie.
My goodness.
Now Monica goes to school. Now you they wait for it. They come. Yeah. They let on the. Are you for real? May not on the so that I go follow you for back. Yeah, Mama Marie. So that you follow me for back. Yeah. It go nice, oh, Mama.